Which auto-tune plugin is the best? Don't worry, today we're gonna consider the auto-tune plugins that I'm having, and if you are aiming to get one of these plugins, you know which one to go for right after watching this video. So if you are ready, let's look at the best auto-tune plugin right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the bell notification, like the video, let me know where you are watching me from. It's super simple. You can actually go to my short videos and just entertain yourself and learn from top investors. I mean, how to make money as a music producer, anything you need to know, whilst we are also taking our music to the next level. So without wasting much of your time, we're gonna use this particular ad lib over here. Super simple. The tempo is 129, so we're gonna set that. Now first thing we're gonna do is to route this to the mixer track. I'm using FL Studio 2025. All right, so we're gonna go to the mixer track, but before, let's send this to the mixer track. All right, we're gonna double click on this and we're gonna route it to track 1 or track. All right, super simple. Now this is the routed track. So next thing we're gonna do is to create a reverb by clicking on this, and we're gonna change the name and the color. Call this reverb. All right, next we're gonna set the color. Super simple, nothing crazy. We're gonna hit accept once again, and this time we're gonna load reverb on this particular insert track. So this is the picture, and this is a default stock plugin auto-tune coming from FL Studio. All right, so it's completely free. If you know how to use this particular auto-tune, you can actually use this for the meantime, and over time you save some money. Go for the paid versions auto-tune. All right, so this is the picture. We're gonna change the key, then let's change this to minor. All right, now this is the routine speed over here. Fast, you can see, and this is the medium, and this is the slow. Let's exaggerate things over here.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby girl, don't do me like this. Oh, body no be firewood. I swear, say you be my one only.
One thing I really love about auto-tune, the interface is clean and anyone can actually use this particular auto-tune. So let's look at, we're gonna try this on our vocals. Let's set it. Let's set the key, change this to minor. We're gonna stick to this. Now this is the routine speed, nothing crazy. If you don't know how to use auto-tune, I have a full video taking you through step by step this particular auto-tune. You can actually go to my channel and watch this. All right, so let's listen.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby,
with this particular auto-tune, you can add humanize over here.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies.
Let me know from the comment section. You can also browse through the input type. If it's a female, male, you play around this. And guys, you are cool.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only.
All right, so moving on to the next auto-tune. Let me know the one that you are using currently. I will choose auto-tune 8.1 to be the next best auto-tune plugin in my opinion. We're gonna change this to minor, and the key we're gonna set to B sharp down. You can actually see this is similar like auto-tune EVO. All right, so this is the routine speed, the humanized knob over here, and with this you can actually add correction star, natural vibrator, play around. I got videos for all these auto-tunes, so you can actually go to the channel and watch this. yourself. Nothing crazy. It also comes with a input type where you can choose what you want. And one thing I really love about this particular auto-tune is the low latency. So this is gonna help you save enough CPU. All right, if your RAM is not all that big, you can toggle this one on. Now let's listen to the taste coming from Auto-Tune 8.1.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe.
Super crazy. Moving on to the next auto-tune on the list, guys. I want you to subscribe, give the video a like, let me know where you are watching me from. The next on my list is Auto-Tune Pro. Alright, so this Auto-Tune Pro, you can actually resize it. I got video about this particular auto-tune. All right, so if you want to know much about this, link will be in the description box, or go to the channel and watch this particular auto-tune yourself. This is the routine speed. You can see the interface is super neat, nothing crazy. The routine speed, the natural vibrator, the humanize, and the flex tune. Now let's listen to this on our vocals.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe.
Super crazy. Though I didn't do my best in terms of the singing, so but you can actually hear the taste that I'm getting from this particular auto-tune.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play.
Super crazy. Moving on to the next auto-tune on the list that I will choose is Auto-Tune EFS Plus. I mean, with Auto-Tune EFS Plus, you can actually do a lot of things over here. This is the auto-tune that you can actually add to vocal, reverb, chorus on the same auto-tune, and even compress the vocals. This is crazy. You can play with the pitch and truth over here. Let's try this. Now change the key to this. Now let's play with the routine speed.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe.
See, it comes with the routine speed and the humanized knob. These are the knobs that you have to familiarize yourself with if you want to be good in auto-tuning. All right, over here you can add all this effect. I have a video taking you through step by step, so make sure you go to my channel and watch that. All right, super simple. And with this one, if you don't know the input type, the one to choose, what you need to do is to click on learn, and this is gonna wait for you as you are seeing, and gonna select predict the best input type for you based on the vocals. Listen.
Baby, why you do me this?
You can actually see predicting.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe only. Baby, get.
Alright, so you can see it has detected auto tuner, and guys, this is crazy. Alright, moving on to the next auto-tune on my list, guys, is Auto-Tune Artist. Auto-Tune Artist is one of the best auto-tune plugins in the music industry. Though we have Auto-Tune 2026, I still use this particular auto-tune. I really love it. The taste coming from this auto-tune is great. Antares have not sponsored this video, but if you are asking me the best auto-tune so far, aside 2026 auto-tune, Auto-Tune 2026, the latest version, I'll go for Auto-Tune Artist. Look at this interface, super simple to dial in. All right, you change the key over here, the input type, then you are good to go.
Baby, why you do me this? Me, I no go love you play. You be my one only. So dance to my melodies. I can't feel the vibe.
Nothing crazy. Now let me know which auto-tune that you are using currently, and why you still using that auto-tune. Let me know from the comment section. The latest version of auto-tune is Auto-Tune 2026. If you want to download any of these Auto-Tune plugins. Then click on the next video that will pop up on the screen, and I will show you how you can actually download any of these Auto-Tunes. It's super simple. Give the video a like, let me know where you are watching me from. Move to my short and entertain yourself with my short videos. Also learn how to invest from the top investors on the same channel whilst we are making music, making money, entertaining ourselves at the same place. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.